keys, values. How are dictionaries used in Python? Hello, Cypals! I am Sir Raymond Zubieta, your science teacher for today. In this episode of Agham Alam Hub, we are going to discuss what dictionaries are in Python. We will determine the proper syntax of writing a dictionary. Furthermore, we will also demonstrate selected methods and functions that are used in creating a dictionary. Finally, we will appreciate the importance of using dictionaries in writing codes. In the next few minutes, we will explore science for another moment. Remember, there are different built-in data structures in Python: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Episode 20 and 29 discuss the different methods and functions used in writing codes involving lists and tuples respectively. Dictionary is a set of associations between a key and an unordered value, changeable or mutable, and indexed. To understand more about a dictionary, let's take a look at this example. Each entry consists of a pair separated by a colon. The first part of the pair is called the key, and the second is the value. The key acts as an index. So in the first pair, A1, the key is A and the value is 1. To declare a dictionary, we enclose it in curly braces, and a comma must separate each key value pair. Keys are often strings, but they can be integers or floats. Each key must also be unique from one another. Further, you can mix different types of keys in the same dictionary and different types of values too, just like this code. After knowing how to create a dictionary, let's demonstrate selected built-in methods and functions that we can use to manipulate a dictionary. Let's now start writing some codes involving dictionary using refill.it. Take note, we will use this code throughout our discussion regarding the methods and functions used in a dictionary. We can access the values held in a dictionary using their associated key. This is specified using either the square bracket notation or the get method. First, let us access the value of Lukban using square bracket notation. To do this, we can write this code. This time, let us use the get method to access the value of Tayabas. We can use this code. Notice, after running these codes, we access the values of Keys Lukban and Tayabas, which are Kamay ni Jesus and Basilica of Saint Michael the Archangel respectively. If we want to add a new entry to a dictionary, we need to provide a key in square brackets and the new value assigned to that key. Let's try to add a key chaong with the value Villa Escudero. To do this, let's type this code. As you can see, when we run this code, the variable tourist spot is now updated, and the key value pair Chaong Villa Escudero is now part of the dictionary. The value associated with the key can be changed by reassigning a new value using the square bracket notation. For instance, let us try to change the value of Key Lukban from Kamay ni Jesus to Batis Aramin. Let's type this code. Observe the output of this code. After we run this, the value of Key Lukban has changed from Kamay ni Jesus to Batis Aramin. We can also find out the length of a dictionary in terms of its key value pairs using the len function. Based on our dictionary, let's determine its length by writing this code. In our example, the length is 5 because there are 5 key value pairs in the dictionary tourist spots. It is also possible to obtain the contents of a dictionary in terms of its values, its keys, or its key value pairs. First, the values method returns all the values included in the dictionary. Let's use this code. Based on the output of our code, the values of the dictionary are Batis Aramin, Basilica of Saint Michael the Archangel, Cuevang Lampas, Cagbalete Island, and Villa Escudero. Second, the keys method returns all the keys included in the dictionary. Let's use this code. Observe the output of our code. Lukban, Tayabas, Pagbilao, Mauban, and Chaong are the keys in our dictionary. Third, the items method returns all the key value pairs included in the dictionary. Let's type this code. Take a look at the output of our code. The key value pairs in our dictionary are Lukban, Batis Aramin, Tayabas, Basilica of Saint Michael the Archangel, Pagbilao, Cuevang Lampas, Mauban, Cagbalete Island, and Chaong, Villa Escudero. Lastly, the key value pairs in the dictionary can also be removed. There are 3 ways to do this. Number 1, using the pop method. Number 2, using the pop item method. And number 3, using the del keyword. Let's try to remove some key value pairs in our dictionary using the pop method to eliminate the key value pair Mauban, Cagbalete Island. To do this, let's use this code. As you can see, the pop method removes the entry with the specified key, which is Mauban. This method returns the value of the key being deleted. That's why it printed Cagbalete Island. To check whether this key value pair has been removed from the dictionary, let's use this code. This time, Let's remove another key value pair in our dictionary using the pop item method. Let's try this code. After running the code, the pop item method removes the last inserted item in the dictionary and returns the deleted key value pair. That's why Chaong Villa Escudero is no longer part of the dictionary. Now, let's remove another key value pair using the del keyword. Let's remove the key value pair Pagbilao Kuwebang Lampas. Let's type this code. Take note that using the del keyword removes the entry with the specified key from the dictionary. This code deleted the key value pair Pagbilao Kuwebang Lampas. Finally, the clear method is used to empty a dictionary. Let's write this code. Note that the clear method removed all the key value pairs, and it makes the dictionary empty. Remember that the empty dictionary is represented by this symbol. Dictionary is a fundamental data structure in Python. It improves the readability of your code. Writing out Python dictionary keys along with values adds a layer of documentation to your code. If the code is more simplified, it is a lot easier to debug. Furthermore, it allows for quickly retrieving information about an entry. We give them the key, and they return the associated value. In this episode of Agham Alam Hub, we have learned that a dictionary is an unordered, changeable or mutable, and indexed set of associations between a key and a value. We also learned the proper syntax of writing codes involving dictionaries. In addition, we also demonstrated selected built-in methods and functions that we can use in manipulating dictionaries. These are accessing the value of a key, changing the values of keys, adding key value pairs, determining the length of a dictionary, accessing the contents, and removing items in a dictionary. Dictionary is a fundamental data structure in Python. It improves the readability of your code. Writing out Python dictionary keys along with values adds a layer of documentation to your code. If the code is more simplified, it is a lot easier to debug. Furthermore, it allows for quickly retrieving information about an entry. We give them the key, and they return the associated value. That's all for today, SciPals! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you again next week for another moment. Only here in Agham Alam Hub, Palagen's SciTech Portal. Bye!